Okay, one thing that we do know is how to buy, how to price, and how to sell one of these cars. Just arrived, Land Rover Range Rover D300 SE in Santorini black. This is basically a new car on a 74, 2,800 miles. Massive saving from list price. Under £100,000 will buy you this Santorini black, shadowline exterior, 23-inch wheels and sliding roof. Not to mention one of the most up-to-date and best driving four-wheel drives you can acquire in the market, with things like air suspension, all-wheel steering, and a fantastic looking exterior. These cars are really, really special, and especially for the value that we are supplying them for, selling a lot of these cars at the moment with the Range Rover product. And this is just absolutely phenomenal value from what you get for the money. It's thousands of pounds under the list price, and this one has the key features: the exterior colour and the wheels, and then the interior colour. So this car has the black Napa leather, it's got premium cabin lighting, it's got the semi-alkaline wood finish, which I really like, with the sliding roof, heated front and rear seats, heated wheel, adaptive cruise, Meridian sound, memory seats. The car is in a new condition. It's fantastic value. It really is a cracking vehicle. If you're interested, you can give me a call on my number on the screen. I'd love to speak to you. But these cars are luxury throughout, with part electric rear seat. Like I say, the seats are heated in the rear. You've got rear climate control. You've also got lots of space throughout the car. And it really is the look of this particular car that will sell it for the value that we're supplying it for, with the wheels, with the shadowline exterior and the black colour paint. Of course, we have lots of additional features, like assisted tailgate, lots of boot space, split folding seats, and the car has warranty with the manufacturer for just under 3 years. It's done 2,800 miles. Keyless entry, you'll see the door handles come in flush as you open and close the vehicle. And then inside, as you would want one of these cars, it's in a pristine condition. And I just love them. I love driving these cars. It feels like you're driving something really special when you jump in one. 300 horsepower from the 3-litre diesel engine. This car is the facelifted car, obviously on a 74, so the digital climate control dials have been taken away, giving you a smoother finish through the centre, and they're then put into the screen. We've got a short button there for your seats and your climate control right and left. Then we have the 360 camera system, so reverse camera, top view camera, full 3D surround camera and off-road camera, wireless smartphone integration, wireless smartphone charging, the most up-to-date technologies throughout the car. Sliding roof is a big feature for one of these. We've got the lighter headlining, which some people prefer, as well as heated wheel, adaptive cruise, lane assist, digital cockpit. The car's fantastic, it really is. We should sell it pretty quickly, as we normally do, but especially when the car is like this, almost like new, massive saving from the list price and just the look that is very desirable right now in the market. My name's Richard, my number's on the screen. If you're interested, please call me. Thanks for watching.